Welcome to our YouTube video where we delve into the concepts of center of gravity and centroid. These fundamental concepts are crucial in various fields such as physics, engineering, and mathematics. In this video, we'll provide clear definitions of both the center of gravity and centroid, exploring their significance and differences. The plane geometrical figures, or weightless laminas, such as triangle, rectangle, circle, parallelogram, etc., have only area but no volume. The center of area of such figures is known as centroid. The point through which the entire area of a plane figure is assumed to act, for all positions of the lamina, is called centroid or center of area of a body. Solid bodies such as cone, cylinder, sphere, etc., have only volume but no area. The center of volume of such figures is called center of gravity. Note: though the terms center of gravity and centroid are taken to mean the same thing, the term center of gravity is generally used in connection with solids, whereas the term centroid is generally used in connection with areas. Thank you for watching our YouTube video on the definitions of center of gravity and centroid. We appreciate your support and hope you found the information valuable. Remember, subscribing to our channel ensures you never miss out on future insightful content. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.